Hi, I'm Andy Lade. It's 29th of April, and this is today's Squardle. Just going to jump straight in, start the stare. Right, we've got a few letters. There's an R and an E, which could end E and an R. There's an A across here. There's an A down there as well. As there's an A down there. Let's try ready. All right, so we've got a. Right, there's an E. Oh, right. Well, everything is in there. Right, so that could end ER, and there's a Y there, or there's a Y not there, but there's a Y here. There's an A going across here. There's not an E going down, so it can't be ready going down there. Could be something else. So could be let's think. Could be R. I was going to say Roddy. That's not a word. Rugby. I wonder if it could be rugby. Right, so we got the Y's in the right place. It does end with an R, so there's a good chance that is something ER. There is an A in that word as well. There's an A going down here. No T's, no R's, no E's. There's a D going across there. There's Y. There's a there's a U, which is either there or there. So it could be something RU or something URER. I was going to say Führer. That's a stupid word to say. Purer. Purer. All right. Well, the ER is right. The U is going to be there. So it's going to be there's a D in it as well. So it's going to be either, it could be audio, AUDIO, or it could be audit, I guess, as well. I'll try audio to start with. Right, so that's going to be audit. And we're going down here now. So that's going to be R something T something Y. It's not an O, it's not a U. Ratty. Doesn't really. Oh, right, well, it's right. I've actually got two guesses right for there. Ratty is quite a strange one. Audit's quite a normal word. So where are we by now? We're back by year. So we got ER. We've got an A in it. In actual fact, the A is going to be the second letter because the A is going up to there. So it's going to be something A, something ER. Let's try water. Or later would probably be better. Try water. Alright, so we've got the AT and the E there. The A was in the right place. Should have tried later, I think, but the T isn't right there. We have got something going down here which has got an E in it. It's got an A in it. Something EDAM, EDAN, ADEN, ADN would be more like it. Laden. See, my name is Lade. Let's try Laden. Laden is correct. So that is going to be mailer, baler, is mailer than the next person, or a baler would be, I guess, another word. We're going across the bottom here now. There's no U in it. I was going to say funny. There's an A. Alright, the A is probably going to be there. We've got nothing going down by here. Funny? No, it can't be funny. Tinny. Tinny, why not? Alright, so it's IN something Y. And we're going down here. Dingy? Oh no, there's an H in dingy, isn't there? Finny. Oh, it can't be a double N, sorry. Something ingy. Lingy, mingy. Ping. Kinky. Kinky. Alright, so that would be A something K. So if that was Baylor, that could be black. Black, and the bottom word is going to be kinky. That's that's an unusual one, not quite expected for a Squardle. I had 4 guesses left as well, so and done in 6 minutes. Pretty good. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please, please press the subscribe button for more of the same. I'll see you tomorrow, or possibly later tonight, who knows. All the best, bye.